Hello traders. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up mobile text alerts for Thinkorswim. The benefits to getting mobile text alerts is that you can be alerted for any of your indicators, scanners, or price alerts directly to your phone. This is super beneficial because like most people who work, you don't have time to be staring at your computer. This puts the power in your hands to be alerted as soon as your scan triggers. So what you need to do is go to the top right corner of the Thinkorswim app, click on Setup. In the dropdown, click Application Settings. Then you will click on the Notifications tab. Here you'll need to enable email alerts or text alerts. If you want email alerts, you will enter your email in the top box, and you will get an email confirmation to confirm. And for text alerts, enter your cell phone number so you get a confirmation code. Enter that code into Thinkorswim, and once you complete that process, it will say your cell phone is confirmed. Now, under the Notify About section, you want to make sure System Login box is checked. Here we will just check make sure text SMS is selected. With this, I get all the alerts directly to my phone as soon as my alerts trigger. Next, you want to make sure have the Alerts is Triggered box checked. These are the settings I have. Sound on trigger means that you will hear a sound when one of your alerts triggers. I have Send SMS during and after US market hours selected because I want to get alerts during regular market hours and also after hours because I don't want to miss any potential alerts. Lastly, I have Push Notifications to Mobile Device selected. In the Fields to Include for Alerts section, I have Study Value selected. This makes sure any of my study scans that I set, I will get alerts for these. You can also get alerts for price changes and volatility changes, but for this video, these are not needed. Then click Apply Settings, and that's it. Now I will show you how to get text alerts for your custom scans. Click on the Scans tab and load your custom scan that you want to get alerted for. Using my 1-3 outside bar strat scan, I want to be alerted when any stock meets this criteria of the outside bar. By the way, you can get this scan as one of my strat scans that comes in our bundle product you can find on our website. Now, to get text alerts for this scan, go to Load Scan Query and click Alert when scan results change. A prompt will open up to create the alert. Here you can adjust the settings. The Send Text Message option should be checked already. And now, just press Create. That's it, you successfully just learned how to get SMS text alerts to your phone for your custom scans. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy trading. I'll see you in the next video.